it's me, Donna, better known as Thriftastic Mom here on YouTube. If you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are oldie but goodie, I appreciate all of you being here. Today is a part 2 of my Temu haul. I told you guys that I would come back on here and show you a part 2 of the Temu products that I received from them. They reached out to me and asked me did I want to get some things from them and show you guys what they offer, show you guys what I got, show you the amazing prices they have, tell you about the amazing deals and coupons they have, and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm here for today. Today we are doing kitchen gadgets. This is some things that I needed, some things that I just wanted to try, or things that I liked. I want to say a special thank you to Temu because they are the ones that offered me this great deal of picking out things and sharing with you guys. So I got some of the kitchen gadgets in here, and I got some in a box here next to me. And I'm just going to show you everything and tell you the prices of everything. And if you are new and have never signed up to Temu before, they are an online marketing place that sells everything. Anything you can want at great prices. If you have never signed up with them before, there will be a coupon code down below that you can get 30% off because you'll be a new customer. Even though Temu sent me these things free, you know, to share with you guys, I actually have made an order and bought some things that I have found on there because I've been looking on Temu pretty much every day, just seeing and finding the different things. They have so much stuff. And I'm always seeing things or watching others people's hauls and seeing what they got, and then I'll go look at that, you know, if it's something I'm interested in. So anyway, let's get on into the video. Let me share with you all of the kitchen gadgets that I got from Temu. I picked up 2 of these coffee syrup pumps. These were $1.99 a piece. Hopefully you can see that straw, yeah. Just a pump like you put on your caramel syrups or whatever. They may even work like in a shampoo bottle or something. I'm not sure. I haven't tried that, but these are for like caramel syrups and different things, and it just kind of goes together, and you have a nice long pump, you know, to pump it out so you don't have to open it every time. So I got 2 of those, $1.99 a piece. I've been wanting some of those actually. I'm glad I run across those. I picked these up. This is a 3-pack of straw brushes because I have a bunch of different straws and metal straws and different things that I use in my cups. And I really needed these. I didn't have any. These little straw brushes that you can clean your straws out with. They'll fit right down in your straw. These were 79 cents. You get 3 of them. You get 3 of them. They're in 3 different colors. Just little straw brushes to fit in your straws. 79 cents for those. I picked up, this is something that I needed and I was glad to see it. This is actually a garlic press. $2.89. And so far, pretty much everything that I have gotten from Temu, I have been impressed with the quality of it. Because a lot of times when you see cheaper prices, it's like, oh, it's just junk. But this stuff has really been decent quality stuff. And I needed one of these. I don't have one. It's a good quality one. I mean, it's heavy duty metal, good quality garlic press. Lots of kitchen gadgets. I like it. Now this, it showed a picture of it. It's a spray bottle. And it showed it like having oil in it. But you could use it for water. You could use it for whatever. This was actually $3.99. And I thought I'd just get it and try it. I thought about putting water in it and just like spray misting my plants. This is what it looks like. A little bottle. I thought that would work good for that. So I picked that up. That's like a household kitchen gadget, I guess. This here, you probably might know what this is, you might not. This was $1.49 and it's called a cake leveler. Okay, here we go. That's what it looks like. It's got a little thin wire down here. But it's a cake leveler, because a lot of times, I don't make cakes often, but I thought I'd like to have it just in case, you know, next time I make a cake. A lot of times I'll end up baking a cake and it's unlevel or whatever, and I'll end up chopping it with the knife, and then that kind of tears it up. Well, this is made to like put it on each side of your cake and push it through your cake, and it gives you a nice level cut through your cake like that. And I thought, well, that would be nice to have when you make a cake. That way your cake comes out nice and even and pretty. So I picked that up since it was so cheap. I thought, why not? I'll just stash it away till I make another cake. This here was just a cute little towel to hang up in the kitchen. So I picked one of these up. This is $1.49. It's in the light coffee color. They did have different colors you could choose from. Has like a little hanging lanyard on it with a little, like a little bow, and then it's just a little hand towel. I thought it was cute. That's why I got this color, so I could like hang it on one of my knobs, and you could just let it hang for looks, or you could actually use it. It's actually really nice and soft. So I picked that up. I thought that was super cute. I picked up these dish towels. You get 5 dish towels in a pretty color here. These are $1.19. Oh wow, they're soft. You get little gray ones. They got little scallops on them. Green on one side, gray on the other. Don't know how good these will work out, but they feel good. They don't feel cheap. 100% polyester, it said. But they feel, we'll have to see when they get wet. They don't feel like that kind that's just real slick, you know, when you wet them and they don't really wipe nothing up. So hopefully these will be good and absorbent. But I got 5 of those. I'll wash them first. I picked up these. I thought these were a good deal. These were actually $5.99, but you get 100, I think. Yeah, 100 thick medium piping bags, and they're good size. And do I need them right now? Maybe not, but next time I make cupcakes, or if I decide to make a faux, like cupcakes or something for decor, you could use those, use these for that, you know, if you make faux cupcakes and stuff for your decor, or make real cupcakes. You just make it pretty and use a piping bag, because I do have plenty of piping tips and all that, and I always struggle with trying to use like a regular Ziploc bag, but that's why I got these. That way I always have some on hand in case I want to do something like that. This is a little egg separator. It was only 79 cents. It hangs on the side of your bowl, and then you just drop your egg in it, and it separates the yolk from the white. I thought it was neat. They have a bunch of different kind of these on Temu. So, you know, if you didn't necessarily want this one, you could find a different kind. But that's just something else that they offer, and I could definitely use that. This is a ladle spoon. It was $2.59, and it's just a little silver ladle. It has this, it's like a colander ladle. It has this little metal piece that you attach in these little prongs here somehow. Is that how it goes? Maybe. Anyway. I gotta see how it goes together, but it's got a little thing on it, and you attach it into the spoon, and it makes it like a colander type ladle. That way when you scoop out your soups or whatever, if it's got like some, you know, meat or whatever in it, you can actually take the soup off of the vegetables and stuff if you don't want it. So I thought that would be pretty neat, you know, for soups and different things. So I picked that up. Alright, I got some more cloths here I wanted to try out. These are dishcloths. $1.19. I thought they were pretty colors. They also say 100% polyester. Oh, they feel pretty good. 3-piece. Not sure about these. They feel a little different than the others, but they're nice and soft. So we'll see how those work out. May have to do a review video or something on this stuff to see how really well it works, you know. Alright, I picked these up. I got 2 of these. I just thought they were super cute. They're little wood spoons. How much were they? $1.69 a piece. I thought they were cute, so I got 2. They're both of them's a little bit different. I thought those would be cute to use for decorating or use to eat out of or whatever you want. Really nice little, cute little spoons. So I picked those up, $1.69 a piece. And then I got some more spoons, y'all. These were different, and that's why I liked them. I actually got 2 packs of these. I thought these were super cute. I'm just going to open one. These were $1.98 for 4 spoons. But y'all, they look like shovels. So cute. You get 2 of this kind. See the little shovels? They're spoons. I think they were like dessert spoons or something. But is that not cute? Especially if you threw like a party where you was having that kind of theme. You could use the little shovels as the spoons. That's so cute. I got 2 of those also. But I got 2 packs of these. So I actually got 8 altogether. I thought those were just adorable. What I'm going to do with them, I don't know. I may just use them on special occasions. But they're so cute. I couldn't resist them. So I got 4 packs of those for $1.69 per pack. And then, this is something I needed because I'm always cutting up onions and throwing them in a Ziploc bag, wasting a Ziploc bag, you know, every time. And putting them in my fridge. So I got me an onion holder. And this was $1.99 for the onion holder. And I'll be able to put this in my fridge and keep my chopped up onions in it. It's got a picture of an onion on it so you'll know what it is. You could put really anything in it if you wanted. Comes apart like that. Then it holds your onion. Super cute. And this is something that I needed. Saved me from having to use so many. Well, if I can get it back together. Oh, the groove. The groove fits the thing there. Oh, does it? It must lock in place. Oh yeah, it locks in place so the lid won't come off. So super cute. I really needed one of those, so that's why I got that. Okay, next thing I got. I thought this was a good deal. Because normally if you go to Dollar Tree and get something like this, you get like 3 or 4 in a pack, sometimes 2 for $1.25. Well, these were $1.19, and I got 4, 6, 8, 10. I got 10 of these green and yellow sponges for $1.19. That's a good deal. And they have all kind of different sponges and things on there if you don't like that certain kind of sponges. I like to use those to like wash dishes and stuff. They have other kind of sponges on there too that I've noticed. This next item is $1.99, and they are actually large 50-piece air fryer filters. And I thought, I could use those. I have an air fryer, and those would come in handy and help me keep it, you know, cleaner, and I wouldn't have to clean it because it can get kind of yucky at times. But you get 50 pieces for $1.99. Now, if you prefer and you don't want like filters, they do make like silicone to put, you know, silicone filters like this to put in your air fryer, but I just went with these kind, little paper kind. 50 of those for your air fryer. $1.99. Can't beat that. The last kitchen item I got. And y'all, I was surprised to find this because I just wasn't expecting them to have it. But I was surprised to find this on Temu. And I'm glad I did, because normally I get these like at Walmart. Last I checked, they were $9.99, but I hadn't got one in a while. But this one, $3.98, guys, for spin mop head. I have an O-Cedar spin mop, and this looks just like the ones I always get. And that's what it said it fits, is a spin mop. It's got the little rectangular shape to it. That's the way my mop is. But yeah, $3.98, guys. And what else I seen I was going to tell you is that they have the bars, the handles, the extension rod that goes to the mop. Now, back in the day when I first got my mop, I broke it. I put too much pressure on it and I broke it. So I had to try to find one, and I couldn't find one nowhere. I couldn't find one online, whatever. I don't know if they have them out now or not, because this was several years ago. But I could not find a handle anywhere. I ended up buying a whole nother mop and mop bucket. So they actually have the handles on there too. I don't remember exactly how much the handle was, if it was the same price as this or what. But it was either get this or the mop handle. And I didn't really need the mop handle. But if I ever break it, I'll know I can get one off Temu. But yeah, they got the mop heads. I know a lot of people use O-Cedar mops, and these will work perfect for those spin mops with the rectangle base on them like that. I love that they got these. That's where I'll be getting mine from now on, is Temu, because that's the cheapest I have found them. You can't beat that. And I definitely wanted to share that with you, because I know a lot of you guys use spin mops. So I was super excited to get that when I seen that on there. I was like, what? $3.98? You can't beat that. It is the same. It feels the same quality, everything. You can't beat that. Anyway, guys, that is everything. If there's anything in here that you've seen that you may be interested in, you can check out all the links below. I'll have it in my description box. I'll have the 30% discount code for all the new customers down there, and any other codes that they may give me or I'll have down there, and all that good stuff, the Temu link, all that stuff for you guys. Don't forget, you know, I'll have all the information I give you about the free shipping and all that stuff in the description box and everything. That way you'll be, you know, 100% know what's going on when you go to that Temu site. And I'm pretty sure you will love it, because they have a little bit of everything to offer you guys, and really good prices. Every time I have went on Temu, which is pretty often, they pop up little things where you can like do a spinning wheel to get $1 off, $4 off, a certain percent off. So they're always got some kind of discount, some kind of dollars off, something going on every time I've got on it. Plus their original sales that they have on. I mean, it's just ridiculously good how good the prices are there. I just couldn't get over it. I've already made another order that I purchased myself, and I got another cart full of stuff that I may get coming up here in a couple weeks. So a bunch of like 16 things in it that I want. So yeah. I don't want to say I'm addicted to Temu, because my husband might not want to hear that, but I do love Temu and I love their prices, so make sure you check them out. So if you enjoyed the video and seeing all these good kitchen gadgets that I got, y'all give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless. Bye.